Hi, Miss Eva. Tell us why you're a little frustrated today at the thrift store.
Well, they say because half off, there's no dressing rooms open.
So, cousin, what do we do when there's no dressing rooms and we really need to try a thing on?
That is a good question. What I've learned today is that we make our own dressing room. And the way that we do that is find a mirror, set it up so that you can see yourself, then go and find a skirt, preferably a larger skirt than your size, then put it on so that you can try clothes on underneath it. Okay? Very simple.
And Eva, when you saw me, what is the one thing you noticed that I had on that you wish you would have thought about today?
Leggings.
That's the key, Eva. Either dress for success or figure out a way once you get there to make yourself successful. Make a dressing room, get a skirt, and you'll still find thrift store gold. Thank you, Eva.
Thank you.